Hey guys, it's Mike and Susan and Christina. We're here at Mission Creek Preserve, and we're gonna hike to the San Gorgonio Lookout. It's a 4-mile round trip, high 60s. Susan and Christine are up in front of me. Crossing the Mission Creek right now, and it is completely dry. Like the animals just go crazy here, but that is definitely mountain lion. You can see the bones. There's bone chunks there. There's poop all over the place here. So we're definitely in mountain lion country. This is the last time I did the my Christmas hike. I was followed through this area by 2 sets of eyes. Pretty sure they were coyote or fox, but you never know. Muddy buddies. Whitewater is right back over there. Red Dome is right in the middle of the screen. And this is the trail from Whitewater to Mission Creek. The trail PCT comes across the Whitewater River, up this canyon, up and over this ridge, down into Mission Creek. Our next stop is the hill right down top of your middle of the screen. San Gorgonio Lookout. Alright guys, I got the sun behind me, sorry. So just so you know, we are on the PCT on C section. Desert high, probably low mid 70s right now. It's nice. A little breeze. I'm heading up there. Got some shade. I'm gonna sit here for a second, have a snack. I'm almost there, probably about another half mile, quarter mile, maybe. We are on the PCT, headed north. Have I ever said how quiet it is out here? It's pretty nice. Sitting out in the middle of the desert in a canyon with nobody else around. It's nice. Really quiet. Okay guys, almost to the top. Got cell service up here, which is nice. Hello. Okay guys, I'm up here on the San Gorgonio lookout. I'll show you what I can see. Can't see San Gorgonio. San Gorgonio is behind that mountain right there. It's all San Gorgonio wilderness that you see. And that's the Whitewater River down there. This is Mission Creek down there. You see San Jacinto in the background. Goes all the way out into the Salton Seas out there. Mission Creek is back that way where I started. Palm Springs, Cathedral Cities, Desert Hot Springs, Joshua Trees out that way. PCT goes that way. Susan and Christina are back at the car at Mission Creek. I'm just out here finishing a little hike that we started. Hey guys, if you like what you've seen, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also, when hiking in the desert, make sure you bring plenty of water, snacks, and always tell somebody where you're going, just to be safe. There's a lot out here that can hurt you. Alright, stay safe everybody, and see you on the next one. Okay, I'm almost back. You see a stone house in the distance right there with all these trees. Probably a quarter mile. It's a nice hike. I'm sorry that Susan and Christina couldn't make it. Maybe next time.